What's up everyone, this is JR Tech, and today we have a review of the SimCam Smart AI Camera, so cue that intro. There seems to be a flood of different security cameras on the market right now for consumers to choose from, but with SimCam, it really separates itself with the AI technology, what helps in facial recognition, and also with the alerts. But of course, you're going to have the high definition videos and pictures. The camera is made out of high quality plastic. You can adjust the base up and down so you can get the perfect angle when you're capturing your videos or pictures. This is a perfect security camera for indoor use and also outdoor because it is waterproof. One of the many features this camera has is facial recognition, so it's going to recognize your family, friends, and even other visitors that happen to frequent your house pretty often. So when you do have an intruder, it is going to notify you on the app. The app is where the real magic is at because it's a little control center here. It's very easy to use. You all have your shortcuts down below. Once you click on the camera, it's going to bring you to a live footage and there is no lag whatsoever. What you see on the screen is what is really happening in real life. There's a couple of shortcuts on the screen, such as taking a picture, using the two-way audio. And there's also a shortcut for recording what you see in the live footage. There's a couple of features this camera has that really makes it stand out within the other cameras on the market, such as the feature right here, which allows you to track certain products. So for example, for the clock or the doorway, you can set these certain indicators, so if someone walks through the doorway or if someone moves or touches the clock, it's going to automatically record it. You will also get an app push notification on your phone whether that object is moved or if someone walks into your frame of reference. The SimCam is really good at picking up alerts, and it really limits the amount of false alerts that you get, especially compared to other cameras on the market. This is the type of quality that you could expect to see while using this camera. This is recording in 1080 HD. On the app, you also have the option to switch on and off the live footage for the sound, and you can switch it to HD live footage if you would like. The pictures and videos are saved on your app, and the quality is pretty good. You can make out people's faces from a pretty far distance. This is about 25 feet. And you can see if someone was robbing you could get their picture and see their face, and video quality on your phone is also pretty good. There's also some other parameters that you can set. If you want to adjust anything with this camera settings itself, you could do so. And then there's also detecting, which is a huge benefit compared to other cameras on the market, and then also your alerts. Overall, using the app was very positive and I had no complaints about it. While testing several other cameras on the market, I do have to say that the SimCard has probably the best camera that I tested for night vision. This is with the lights completely turned off, and you could clearly make out everything in this video. You could read everything from the labels to see if someone was standing there. You could see them. The footage can also be stored on an SD card slot tucked away on the back of the device, but it also has no cost or fee associated with a subscription plan for the AI features or cloud costs, which is an incredible deal because all the cameras that I've reviewed on this channel so far do charge a monthly subscription fee. Overall, I'm a huge fan of the SimCam security camera. The one flaw that I could find is that the audio is not the loudest compared to other security cameras, but the pros of this totally outweigh everything. I'm a huge fan of the AI technology. It is brilliant and it has really great alerts set up. If you're in the market for a security camera, I would highly recommend the SimCam. There's gonna be a link down below. If you guys didn't enjoy this video, please do smash that like button. I'll see you guys in the next one, and this is JR Tech signing off. Peace.